There we go. Hey everyone, hope you guys are all having a good day here. Let me move that around a little bit and I think we're good to go. Let's see how this turns out. You guys know normally I don't go live streams in a mobile format, but I'm hoping that this thing works up. What's right here? And hey Cameron, happy to see my man. I can't even read these freaking messages here. Oh god, it's sunny. I was not prepared for the heat when it came to Texas at all. I'm wearing gray pants, black shoes, and a dark shirt. Didn't work out in my favor, my man. Let's see right here. But I'm doing well. Freaking, it's been a good time. I'm kind of ticked off. Bitcoin's going down or starts to move as soon as I leave the house. But you know what? Who cares? It'll work out in the end, I'm pretty sure. Now let me see exactly how this works. I'm not used to this type of streaming stuff here. Super chat, yeah, that looks to be okay. There we go. And hey, Boy Ice. Oh God, I look like I'm a fucking boomer right now trying to read these messages here. But I think we'll be good. I think we'll be good here. I'm not used to the vertical format, so I'm not even sure if this is actually the right way I should be streaming. But we'll give it a shot here. This isn't a a daily formal stream, so it doesn't matter all too much. I'm out here by the pool sweating my ass off after a long morning of walking. But guys, there is some really cool shit going on this week when it comes to consensus. I bought myself a new cold storage wallet, like credit card thing. I wanted to see how that works out. It's a weird concept, but I'm intrigued to see how exactly it works. It's a pretty snazzy card, actually. Let me pull it out here. Normally, since I'm an influencer, I get tons of free shit, but this time, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna pay for it and claim it back on taxes like a normal person. I got myself an Arculus wallet. I'm excited to try this out. Now, I have no idea how to use this just yet. I'm gonna figure this out when I get back home, but I was intrigued about buying it. It was on sale. I think it was like 80 bucks on sale. I think normally it's like 100 bucks, something like that, so that was kind of nice. And hey, Sahid, happy to see my man. Hey, Ken. Bitcoin seems to have problems breaking at above 71K. It will be a juicy day when it does. Hey guys, remember what I told you guys about those oscillators? The weekly oscillators aren't there yet. I think for this is like day trading is going to be about 30 hours. That way, whenever that initial reversal comes along, you're not getting wiped out. Because even if Bitcoin goes down for a little bit, you guys still know it's been popping back off again and again and again. So it's been pretty nice. But yeah, Bitcoin just a nail in my foot, whatever you want to call it. And my turbo position's still up obviously quite a bit, but turbo fell down like 20% today. That was a shit ton as well. Oh, and if you guys can, make sure to hit that like button. This is my first vertical stream in months, I think maybe even a year. I think the thumbs up has much more power in a vertical stream, as far as I know, right? What's happening to my Pepe? Everything is the same thing right now. Don't FOMO into the market, dollar cost average, and be happy with the results. Remember, I've been dollar cost averaging foods. My Pepe is still up over 100% since I bought, and I'm happy with those types of moves here. But it's going to be the same for the majority of the market right now because again, Bitcoin is at that major support level. Yeah, I know I don't have the charts up here, but you know that trend line that's been going up here. It's testing that trend line out. On top of that, there's also a horizontal level from a whole bunch of consolidation a while ago, so it's a strong support. It doesn't mean we hold, but it means that everybody is most likely taking some of their profits off the table, saying, hey, I bought a while ago, it's been a great move, I'm happy to sell some off and lock into some profit. Even I locked in about 80% of my turbo profit. I had to lock it in because it was going absolutely insane. So it's those types of things. And hey, Guten Tag, my man, or Guten Tag, hey, Villa, happy to see you, my man. I just bought Bretcoin. I've been seeing a lot more people talking about that. I was talking with Babyfish earlier, and I think he was talking about something else too. I think it was a Brad coin or B coin or Bob coin. One of those tokens. There seems to be a lot of stuff happening. Again, I'm still dollar cost averaging memes, even as they fall a little bit. Some tokens are down a little bit more than others, but I don't think that's necessarily a bad thing right now. I think it's just an opportunity for people that have been waiting for those dips to start actually buying in. Instead of having to buy at all-time highs with Pepe or crazy high levels like other stuff. I'm opening this box just because I want to see this card in person. But it's difficult to watch the tokens that we've been buying up for a while it's difficult to watch them fall. Oh shit, there's like a shit ton of stuff in here. Yeah. All right, let's see. Oh, here's the card though. Oh, it's layered. Oh shit, so it's like layered and it comes in the box. That's what the card looks like right there. And it's a metal card from what it feels like. Oh, this is nice. Touch this side of the phone. So basically you tap on it, you can pay people by tapping if they have the Oculus 2 or any wallet. I guess you can just tap on the phone and boom, it opens up a website for you. That's exciting. Oh, there's been so much stuff I've been learning about. One of the reasons I left today actually is because there's like a shit ton of parties tonight. I swear, like every freaking little booth has their party. So I think I'm gonna go to 3 tonight. There's one for Varus, which is gonna be pretty nice. That one has, everything has free beer and stuff like that. But I got invited to a private party at the Four Seasons Austin. I've never been to the Four Seasons Austin. I think I've only been to like a few Four Seasons ever, and they're very, very nice things. So I can bougie it up for you guys, and then talk about Tron. It's a Tron party. I don't know much about Tron, so I'm gonna have to learn more about it here coming up. And then Francisco, so far having a good time, my man. I will check it later, definitely. Let me see. Will Bitcoin go back up? Oh yeah, I mean it'll go back up eventually, but right now it could definitely start breaking back down even more, and then it might take another week or two before Bitcoin eventually makes that all-time high breakout where we go to $85,000, $90,000. Remember, the last few times we've had these larger moves with Bitcoin, it hasn't necessarily been a lot about your technical analysis and stuff like that. A lot of it has been big news events, especially when it came to the Ethereum ETF and whatnot. Those have definitely been the larger events here. We may know more about the Ethereum ETF, I would say, sooner rather than later. I think that'll give it a little bit more of a jolt. But you're seeing the whole market, actually have a bad day today. So what I would encourage you guys to do, if you guys haven't already, because I haven't had the time, because I've been out and about, as you guys know, I would go and look at maybe CNBC, Fox Business, Bloomberg, and just see if you guys can find out what that news is. I'm going to move this over here so I can actually get some back support. Oh yeah, there we go. This is what it's all about. But yeah, I think you have to see what the economic news is. I would check for you guys, but basically what will happen is the stream will go off if I do so. So I don't want to mess it up too much. Soon we'll be back to 15K viewers. That is the funniest thing. I'm making more money now than I did then, and my viewers are like drastically cut. And I think that's just because I've been trading a lot more and I've been giving you guys a lot more strategies and whatnot. And I think it's been reflecting more with the volume I bring into a lot of the exchanges and things like that. And JJBD, there you go. How's the conference? What do you call? So far, so good. A lot of fun people I've met. I was talking to some people from the CoinW exchange. They're a non-KY exchange, and I'm going to be working with them, I think, in the future. Mostly because it was funny, a couple of the workers that were there, one was from England and one was from New York. And I know a lot of you guys live in New York and you guys have been complaining about the different ways that of how you guys can trade and stuff like that. So I'm hoping that's going to be an option for some of you guys out there that don't want a KYC exchange. And hey, Alan, I'm happy to see my man. And what's it here? Hold on. There you go. Oh, so the ETF will be start trading in June. That'll be good news. I want that capital to be deployed into the markets here. It's been a good day. It's been a good year so far, don't get me wrong. But you guys know the way it normally works in this crypto market is we would have already gone parabolic. We would already be at all-time highs. And right now we would get into that point in time where we might be looking at, is the market getting ready to crash and go back into a crypto winter? We're not there. I think that's okay. It's fine. But you better believe that it's just been it's been hard for the long-term holders to just continue holding. What I've been doing is just doing a lot of dollar cost averaging during these cycles. When everything's calm, you load up. When it spikes, you sell. Right now, everything's calm. You're loading up. You're waiting for the spike. Rinse and repeat, right? Nice and simple. However, the more I think about it, the day trading has been the best. The swing trading has been good. But those swing trades still have just been about, 2 days at the max. Nothing really too much. And hey, multi-stacker, happy to see me, man. That's because I'm wearing my golf shirt, my chain, my media pass, and then I got my sunglasses on. It's too hot here. You see how I'm squinting right now? It is hot. Last night I wasn't even sure if I was going to be here. The thunderstorms were so bad they almost had us land in Dallas and not in Austin. I was about to be freaking pissed off. It was rough, guys. It was really, really rough. But things are going. Let me move this down a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Things are a lot better now. I woke up like maybe at 7 o'clock Central Time. Took a shower, got dressed, put on some hair gel stuff, keep my hair from going all frizzly, and then headed out. It's been a good day. A lot of walking, a good amount of people here. There's a lot of crazies here. Oh my God, this expo. And I'm not talking about like homeless people or like, that type of craziness. No. I'm just talking about people dressed up in like as block characters, people dressed up in crazy suits. There's a Tesla truck out just driving around doing a lot of funny stuff there. I posted on Twitter. There's also, what is it? There's also that Kennedy guy. I forget, RFK. He has people at the conference as well. I was hoping to see Biden or Trump people there along with them, but all I found was RFK's people there. So RFK has really tried to wedge himself into this lane here when it comes to cryptocurrency. And if he sees an opening, go for it. I don't know how it's going to work for him, to be honest, but it's an opportunity, I would say, right? Humidity is curler. Oh, humidity is curler. Yeah. What do you call it? Hello, chick. Now, what do you call? Yeah, my hair was nice and straight. It'll frizz maybe a little bit later on, but I have some firm holding gel on here because again, I'm gonna take another shower before I go back out later on tonight. I think I have cocktails with a guy at 3:30. I have 3 o'clock, I think, so that's like an hour from now. Shit. I have an event with the Versus people. They're going to be hosting an event, which would be really cool. Varus, not Versus, Varus. These guys are working on some really cool stuff. They actually have a token, so I'm going to try to make a video about them or just talk about them when I can. But their token is like really cheap. It's like a $70 million market cap. So I'm going to buy some of them because they, a cheap token, and they're actually doing stuff at expos and they're generating revenue. These are the type of things I like to buy into and hope that it works out. So I'm going to go to their event tonight. I'm going to the Tron DAO event. It's a private event, but I'm excited I got invited. It's at that Four Seasons place. And then afterwards, I have another event, an after party with CoinW's exchange. So it's been a pretty good time here. I know there's some karate stuff happening, but I don't know if I'm actually going to have time to watch the karate fight or if I even have tickets to the karate fight because, I'm just a press guy. See that little thing? Press. I'm important, but I don't know if I'm karate important. And I think the people that actually go to it, I think they actually had to pay for it. And I don't see the point of paying to go do something like that. Maybe an after party, but I can get into the after party without having to pay. I can be quite frugal, you guys. Hey, multi-stacker, who isn't present speaks volumes. Oh yeah. I mean, I'm just happy I got invited to all these little parties and whatnot. It's been a good time though. It's been really chill. I gotta get used to the heat though. That's the only thing, guys. It's killing me. Absolutely killing me. At least the humidity isn't too bad today. But like if I, hold on a second here. Oh, you guys can't see the sun. The sun is bearing down. Yeah. It's hot. It's hot. Oh, it's glistening right now because of the heat melting like that. RFK president, Dem, Republic, maybe not. I mean, when you talk about that type of stuff, I'd really hope that there was going to be more people here. I know in July I'm also going to be going to Nashville, and that one's going to be the Bitcoin Nashville event. But as far as it comes to consensus, this is a pretty big expo. There's a lot of people here. There's a lot of shenanigans going on with the Slayers. But there's I think there's up to 9 stages for people to talk with. It's a lot. So when you're at an expo of this, caliber, you would it's not even like the RFP people had a massive booth. They just had 2 volunteers out there giving out free stickers and stuff like that. I think I even have one in my pocket. No, that's a little pamphlet thing. I can never say no to the people passing this shit on the side of the road. I'm like, oh, yeah, see? Texas for Kennedy. I snagged one of these. I don't know anybody from Texas, really, but whenever I see this type of stuff, if he were to win somehow, this could be a nice little memento. Like, oh yeah, I was there at his little event in Consensus. And I think he's actually talking tomorrow too. So I'm hoping to catch him on stage sometime in the afternoon. There's just so many freaking parties that it's so hard to have time to do anything. Like literally, I got invited to about 12 parties tonight. All of them are in the same like 5 to 6 hour window of time. And so there's no way in hell I can go to all these things. I know the ones I'm going to obviously now after kind of doing some research and whatnot. But it's ups and downs. Press shine the light. What do you call democracy dies in darkness? Every time I hear that, I crack up. But I met some other influencers here. I always forget having 100,000 subscribers actually means something. I'm seeing a lot of people here that are like, oh yeah, I'm an influencer, you know, but they maybe have like 5,000 followers, 10,000 followers, 500 followers, and I'm like, I don't disparage them or anything like that. I'm just like, damn, I forgot. Influencer means different things to different people. But I met this one cool guy. He's on Instagram, not on YouTube, shockingly, and he's like Crypto Bronx or Bronx Crypto. I made a short video with him. He was pretty chill. Well, he interviewed me. I didn't interview him, but I just want to talk. You guys know that talk is all I ever do here. We're early to crypto is next level technology. If you're in that room, you saw a lot of money. I mean, there's a whole bunch of side meetings going on. It is insane. And again, a lot of this stuff happens later at night with all these after parties too. So I'll tell you guys if I learn anything from there. But most of it's just, you know, unlimited free alcohol, enjoying yourself and having a good time, right? Are there women there? There are a lot of women here. I would say about 25% of women, maybe 30%. There's definitely a lot, especially from all over the world. I was talking with some people from Asia, some women from, you know, the Eastern European countries, that dialect, I'm not entirely sure where. Then I was talking to some from Mexico, you know, I met some from New York, I met some from California. There's a lot of women here. I'm actually kind of surprised, but again, there's business. Business is business. A lot of the people at these types of conferences, they just don't have the geeky nerds there. They have to have all of the support staff. So the people that do the deals, the people that do all the marketing, the people that will do the PR, all of those people are there, and they're also having a good time too. And at Crypto Ricky, definitely going to be having fun. But I'm going to end the stream right here, guys. It's been like 20 minutes, and I am just, you can see the sheen on my face. I got to go inside and take a second shower for the day and get ready for some after events tonight. And I'm going to see if I can hit up any of the other crypto influencers here and see if I can make a video with them or collab. I know Crypto Russ is here, and I know Crypto Wendy's here. I've only talked to Crypto Wendy a few times, and I don't think I've ever talked to Crypto Russ. But I'm going to see if any of my contacts will connect me with them, and I can do it in a little, I don't know, hangout or something like that, right? So I'll see you guys a little bit later. Hopefully my phone doesn't overheat, but thanks for watching, everybody.